Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between pickup or delivery on the Walmart grocery app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and switch between pickup and delivery. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on pickup or delivery. Afterwards, this is where you can choose between shipping, pickup, or delivery. So if we choose pickup, it's going to have you choose your local Walmart and then also choose a reserved pickup time. If you choose delivery, it's still going to have you choose a local Walmart. And then as far as reserving the delivery times, you can click on view all times and then choose a delivery time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between pickup and delivery on the Walmart grocery app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.